Hi. In this video, let us talk about Microsoft Azure offering Virtual WAN. This caters the need to have an optimized or accelerated path routing between on-premise devices or devices placed in the private cloud and workload placed in Azure via secure IPsec channel. This phenomenon utilizes Microsoft-empowered backbone network for optimum routing. Let us see how we can connect Versa SD-WAN appliances into Azure. Go to All Services. Search for virtual WANs and select them. In our system, we have created two virtual WANs. Let us select Versa vWAN West US. This screen talks about the VPN sites, hubs, and virtual network connections. As a prerequisite, you must create a new hub. In our case, we have already created. Never mind, I will demonstrate once how you can create one. Click on the New Hub button and enter your choice of location. You can give some arbitrary name or whatever name you wish to. And then you can provide the hub private address space. This can be the other site LAN address, which your site will be connecting. So it could be your office workload subnet, or any other subnet you wish to. Once you confirm, it takes approximately 30 minutes to create a hub site on the Azure vWAN services. Now the hub is created, let us talk about the VPN sites. So here, Orchestrator comes in the picture, and our Versa Director, which is our orchestrator system, will help you to ease this configuration, and it will be creating this automated configuration sample. I will switch to the Versa Director, which is our orchestrator, and see how we can integrate this support offering. So, the first thing that you must do is, go to CMS. I have already created multiple CMS connector. CMS means, we must provide credentials which are required to talk to the Azure infrastructure. And our Versa Director orchestrator can make API calls to the Azure platform. In my case, I have created the Versa Azure connector. Once I click to edit this, input the subscription ID. Your Azure subscription ID will be the input for this. Next, your client ID, tenant ID, and the key. All these values you can get while registering your application in Active Directory Azure services. Once this part is done, you will go to Organization screen. And you can see here, for the TCL provider we have associated this connector with Versa Azure connector. Once this is done, then go to Appliances screen. And here we have SD-WAN branch created, which is named ABC Bank BO. Now I am going to show you how we are going to utilize the Azure vWAN services offerings. Once you select this appliance, go to this icon Secure Connectivity to Azure. Select your CMS connector. Select your region, in my case, it will be the West US. You can put your resource group name. So, if it is already an existing resource group, we will be utilizing it. It is not present, we will be creating a new resource group. So, I will name this as Versa Transit VPC. Here, by using those credentials, we are able to get the list of WANs available in our Azure account. I am going to select Versa vWAN West US. WAN port on your physical devices, or virtual machines. Whichever public site share public IP, you have to select that particular port. And you must provide the public IP and mask whatever is there on your site. And in the site address space, it will be the LAN subnet, which will be sitting behind your office network. When you click OK, it will be utilizing those APIs, which is exposed for creating sites or Azure vWAN services, and will be making API call. And I will go back to the Azure portal, and we'll see how it gets progressed. If you see here, I will be going inside the virtual WAN. Then I will go inside VPN sites. Now you can see the new site has been created called ABC Bank BO. And you can see the hub association here. So, this API has created VPN site on Azure infrastructure. I can show you the corresponding configuration which has been generated on our device's site. Now I am into this Versa appliance CLI. As part of automation, I will show now IPsec configuration created on site or CPE by downloading site IPsec details from Azure. If you see here, Versa Director has created IPsec tunnel configuration based on details downloaded. Download VPN configuration to make that tunnel up and working fine. Thank you for watching this video.